Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Analysis.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Friday, December 13 and the time is 6:30 a.m. GMT. So today we are looking at the chart of the Nike. This is a 60 minutes chart here. We are calling for the upside. You can see in the rally from $91.32 is an impulsive structure here, and we're looking for any pullback to continue to find support in 3711 swing for the upside as far as it stays above this 91.32 right here. Okay, so this is currently in the wave 3 and the 4 here, and we should be looking for a wave 5 to the upside. Alright, so looking at the larger degree in the daily here, we can see if we look at it from May 31st over here, we have what looks like a 5-way move, 1 2 3 4 5, and again if I look at the 1 hour chart and I place this here in the daily, so this is where we are now. We are ending a wave 3 of 5, it looks like. So this is May 31st 2019, and this is going to be wave 1 in the higher degree. Alright, 2 3 4, and then now we are ending a wave 5 to the upside. So far it's only 3 swing here. Okay, so far it's only 3 swings, so suggesting that for the upside still can be seen. Currently, let me see here, currently it's already at the 100% extension from the low from here, but it can extend higher to 1.618 within wave 3 and then 4 and then 5 before we end the entire 5 waves up from May 31st. Alright, so you can see here that this has extension compared to this one, suggesting that this is a likely to be an impulsive structure from May 31st peak. Also, the idea within wave 5 here so far, we only have 3 waves. Okay, suggests that more upside is likely now, at least one more time here within the wave 5 here in Nike. Okay, so therefore shorter cycle, we do continue to like more upside, and we expect any pullback to find support in the sequence of 3711 swing above 91.3 here. Okay, so that's the update for the group for Nike today. And for the updates on Nike or other instrument, you can try our service for 14 days for free. There will be a link in the description of the video below. There is also we also currently run a 30% end of year sale, and for any subscription plan, and I will provide the link in the video below as well. So thanks very much, and see you all again next week. Have a nice weekend, everyone.